We did a classic gold and black dial. So I kind of like made a boo-boo. Yes, you could buy it straight for having a gold and black dial, but that costs a lot of money when really it just takes 2 seconds. But yeah, just to remove those 4 tiny screws. Oh shit, I thought I lost that. Soon you move all the 4 screws, the casing for it, and you just remove it. Boop. And that's how you remove the wheel. So now you just gotta put it back, add the gold and black dial wheel. Oh, fuck me. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Oh, shit. I think I fucked up. Hold on. So this is what it would look like. I would have to make a new face. Because the dial sits at 4 o'clock, not at 3. Thing. Fuck! So this is like a wash, but damn. I need a new face.